Hi, this is Gretchen. In this video, I'll show you basic features you can access once you log into OGMS. If you don't have a login, please see our video, OGMS Overview. OGMS functions as the hub of OWEB's grant program, allowing OWEB staff to record information about grants and grantees to have instant real-time information about grant activity. OWEB has put significant time and resources into making OGMS a primary communication tool, and we are adding functionality all the time. After you log into OGMS, you will be presented with a menu. The first feature is an OGMS search. This feature allows you to find specific projects. You can also use the checkboxes at the right to filter all the projects for your organization. You can search using various criteria, such as region or project status. One of the most helpful combinations of search criteria is selecting only grants where your organization is the grantee, and then also open under project status. This provides an overview of all open grants for your organization. Once you select a set of projects, you will go to a display screen. From here, you can see an overview of all the projects that match your search. If you click on a project number, you go to a screen that has quite a bit of information about the project. If you click on Grantee, you will see current information about the grantee. The project detail level lets you see the most essential items about the project, such as start date, end date, and funded amount. The project totals section is a quick update about how much has been requested to date, how much has been paid, and how many receipts have been turned in case of advances or other errors. This information can be useful for reconciling your receipts to OWEBs. In the payment details section, you will find information about payments. The first line is the date your payment was processed by OWEB staff. The second entry is when the payment was sent out. Typically, checks are sent out within a few days after they are processed by OWEB staff. In the amendment details section, if you have changed the project from your original application, that information will be shown here. This is the reporting details section. Depending on the grant agreement, grantees may have to make progress reports or reports after the project ends. This area shows the detail of when these reports are due. The next sections include summaries and evaluations. These are designed to show information about the project and the various evaluations it went through to become funded. If a project is not funded, this area will probably explain why. When it's time to do your final report, you can access it under Project Completion Report. You can also create a PDF copy of the report for your files. And finally, the images section. This is where important documents such as the application, the grant agreement, if there is one, and other permanent files are stored. While OWEB staff are delighted to talk to you, we suggest that you first check out OGMS. If you can't find the answer there, give OWEB a call. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions, please contact Tara Choate at 503-986-0184 or tara.choate@oregon.gov.